Oh, it's the other guy.
The other guy?
Yeah, you need to change the seats also, you know?
It's not a seat, actually it's a seat rack. What's going on YouTube? We're back with videos. I'm saying welcome to spring. It's a little bit chilly, but we're actually back with the videos, and this time we won't stop. It's so cold, it's so cold, it's so cold. You know, we got the Mustang here, legendary type shit. But I know we said every time we say I'm gonna build it, I stopped for some reason, but this time we won't stop. Because why? I got a surprise for you. You'll see that in the next video. But for this video, let's actually get the car to where I want to get. You know, there's a secret place I want to get the car to, and it's not time to reveal the place yet. So for now, let's take a look at them. There's no plates on them yet. There's a reason for that, but let's take a look at them. Wait. A bunch of parking. You have to pay for parking. So it doesn't look much different from how I left it, but it's definitely a little beat up on the edges, you know, and
You call?
we definitely need to fix that.
You call?
You see that? Steering plate. We definitely need to fix that. The roof is so dirty. Like you can see. Visors. The seats surprisingly are in good condition because I did. Remember, like my donor car. Seats came from the donor car. So definitely in good condition. I might dye them red. I don't know. There's no rust, right?
Yeah.
It's actually clean. So the only thing need to be fixed on this car is the undercarriage. Like underneath it is really bad. Needs an upgrade. You know, like front suspension, back suspension. You know, like I need a suspension. I need a subframe stabilizer. You know, those are the only thing that's wrong with it. Inside, the only thing that's wrong with it inside, it's an automatic. That's the only thing. But right now, we got a tow truck coming. You guys, this is probably my first video on this channel. But make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe. We have Kevo here. And make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, it's a journey. And once we open the hood, yeah, and this is gonna be a journey, which if you're a car enthusiast or has anything to do with cars, have a love for cars, shoot me a DM. If you work on your own cars and you feel like labor fee is very costly, shoot me a DM right now because I am building my own car club. If you're interested in working on your own car and building your own car and driving your car that you imagined before you're 60, and you feel like the labor fee is crazy, shoot me a DM. We work something out. We use the shop 24/7. We get to do contents. We get to film contents. We get to make merches, do car shows. We get to do event. We get to do all crazy stuff. We get to chill. And yeah. And make sure you guys go like, comment, and subscribe right now. And let's wait for the tow truck to come get the car. That's what the engine bay looks like. Yes, it is a V6. I know y'all be like, I know you guys probably be asking why am I wasting my time on a V6, but it's a little bit more than just a V6. Well, I mean, it's just a V6, but to me,
They look good.
it's a little bit more than just a V6. But
Am I good for progress?
we got a whole space for a turbo. So
Oh, you wanna put turbo on it?
right here, the turbo is gonna go right here.
Oh.
Or maybe we're gonna take the bumper off and put the turbo right at the front. I have one here and one there, with a big ass intercooler right here. But it looks good for. I mean, it looks good for just. It looks good for. What is that? What it has been going through. It looks good for it. It's been sitting here for like 2 years. But it's time to revive it.
It's time for it to
Do what it was meant to do.
Yeah. That's true.
So guys, the tow truck, like, sorry, I was a little bit annoyed. The tow truck guy came first, and so I drove it out of the parking. It's on, you can hear it. You can hear it. I had a battery pack on it right now, so guys here to take it to the shop. Shoo! See, all I need to do is get it a little rusted. That wasn't there. Anyway, the startup's well. I think it's good. I'm about to take it to the shop. It's called that. Oh. I just seen something I didn't want to see. There's gonna be a lot of work. My gas tank need a new strap. No, that's not the gas tank. Like, the gas tank itself need a new strap. Like, if you look through here, you can see like the gas. Oh,
Take everything now.
that's not good. Oh my goodness. No. What's that clear thing? But anyways, total come, let's pick it up and let's bring it to the spot. Catch you guys when we're there. Is that my gas pump? I think mine could be the gas pump.
What, really?
I don't know. That could be the gas pump. Yeah.
Let me tell you.
No, I don't think it's I don't know, but you know what? We're gonna get to the bottom of this, and I promise you, in 2 months, this car will be back on the road for summer. Mark my words. I just need new tires. You know how expensive these rims are?
What that mean?
Car looks good though. I see it's well centered.
Cool, you know?
The bumper. Oh, okay, it's not that low. It's not that low. Okay, I'm kind of disappointed the bumper didn't crack. Alright. I'm looking at the message. The last time this went on the record was very snowy.
Watch your boat.
That's fine.
Tape that on, bro. Just tape that.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, what is that?
Is it the fuel pump? Has something to do with the fuel. It's rusted. You see, right?
Well, it should be inside the fuel pump.
Yeah, it should be inside the fuel tank, right? Yeah? That's what I thought. So I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna keep it. What is inside? Oh no, what is this? Bro, what is this?
It's going up to like Cheltenham, right? Or something like that?
Yeah.
Like up
In
the
Brampton
block.
way?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I take the keys out right now?
Yeah, you can take it out.
Let's put it here.
House?
It's hooked up now. Now we're about to go. Look how the car looks good on that.
Any power?
Nothing.
Get light?
Wait. All right.
There you go.
Somebody direct me. I gotta back up put it on it. I back up put it on it.
You gotta leave it on it?
Yeah, to back up. The alternator is not charging.
That one on
Bed.
Put it in neutral and push it. Alright? You gotta do it quick because he's gonna die, bro.
I'm gonna put it in neutral and push it.
Yeah, let's try to push it. Put it in neutral.